Hello and welcome to today's English lesson. Have you ever wondered why we say I have eaten instead of I have ate? Or why people say the book was written instead of the book was wrote? You'll find out today in today's lesson, past participles. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any English lesson. Let's get started. A past participle is a form of verb that is used when speaking in a perfect tense or in a passive voice. A perfect tense describes actions that have already been completed, while a passive voice describes actions that are performed on the subject. How is the past participle different from the simple past tense? Let's have a look at some examples. The verb eat. Its simple past tense is ate and the past participle is eaten. The verb write. The simple past tense is wrote and the past participle written. The verb go, simple past tense, went, past participle gone. You will notice that some past participles end with ed, some end in en, and some are a completely different word from the base verb. There are two types of verbs, the regular verbs and the irregular verbs. The regular verbs past participle is formed by adding ed to the main verb. So walk becomes walked, play becomes played. For regular verbs, you add ed, but it's different for irregular verbs. Irregular verbs have no specific pattern of formation. Example, the word speak, the past tense is spoke and the past participle is spoken. This is another irregular verb. The word see, the past tense is saw and the past participle seen. What about this verb? Break. It's an irregular verb. The past tense is broke and the past participle is broken. Here's a quick challenge. Try to guess the past participle of the verb choose. Is it chosen, chose, or chosen? Type your answer in the comment section below. And what is the past participle of the word teach, the verb teach? Is it thought, taught, or teached? Write your answer in the comment section below and I'll let you know if you got it right. How do we use past participles in sentences? One way is with perfect tenses, and with perfect tenses we use the verbs have, has, or had. Example, I have written a book. This is a perfect tense. The past participle is written. She has watched the movie. Watch is a regular verb, so it ends in ed. She had watched the movie before she went out. They will have finished the project by tomorrow. I have written the essay is correct. You did not say I have wrote the essay. You don't use have with past tense. He had driven to the school before she arrived is correct. Another way to use past participles is when speaking in the passive voice. We use it with the verbs to be, which are this, is, are, was, were, been, and so on. Example, the cake was baked by my grandmother. Was is a verb to be, baked is the past participle of bake. The letter has been sent. Been is a verb to be, sent is the past participle of sent. And here is a comparison of a sentence in an active voice and one in a passive voice. In the passive voice, we use the past participle written. Here is a quick quiz. Identify the passive voice. Is it my sister baked the cake or the cake was baked by my sister? It's the second one, was baked. What about this? What is the past participle? I have drink my coffee already. What is the past participle of drink? Is it drunk, drank, or drinked? Answer in the comment section and I'll let you know if you got it right. Here are some common mistakes to avoid when using past participle. The first one, using the simple past instead of the past participle. It is incorrect to say I have went to the store. The correct one is I have gone to the store. Another mistake is forgetting to use have, has, or had when speaking in the perfect tense. Instead of I seen it, you say I have seen it. And here we have a list of verbs in their different forms, their simple past form and their past participle form. Alright, so let's check how much you've learned so far. Write 3 sentences using a past participle in the comment section below. I will let you know how you did. Let's continue with the lesson. Do you say he had eaten his lunch before going out, or he had ate his lunch before going out? The first one is the correct one. What is the past participle of teach? Taught. Do you say I have ate or I have eaten? I have eaten. Ate is a past tense. Eaten is past participle, which we use with have, has, or had. I have done my homework is correct. He has went to school or he has gone to school. He has gone to school is correct. What is the correct one? I have already eaten breakfast. She has seen that movie is correct. Seen is the past participle of see. What is the past participle of speak? Is it speak, spoke, or spoken? It's spoken. Comment below with 3 irregular verbs and their past participles. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any lesson. Let me know if this helped you understand past participle more.